Hey, this is Corey with Shure. In this video, we'll demonstrate coordinating frequencies for 3 RF zones that we've already configured. We want to deploy coordinated frequencies to our inventory of equipment and generate a coordination report. We already created the zones in the RF Zone Manager and assigned these relationships between them, which we established from our previous spectrum scan test. So, let's start to assign devices to each zone according to the installation layout. Using the table, we can assign a device to a zone, or we can move multiple devices in batches by using the Inventory Properties sidebar. You should note that a device is only assignable to one zone at a time, so you can't split the channels within a multi-channel device into multiple zones. In the Frequency Coordination tab, you can see the RF zones list. You can bring in devices from the inventory, which will populate the coordination workspace table with frequency requests for the respective zones. If you want to add backup or virtual frequency requests, you can select the type and quantity and choose the appropriate zone. If you've added a frequency to the wrong RF zone, right-click on it to move to another zone. When you calculate, the solutions for each zone will be populated, showing how many frequencies you found in each zone. It can be helpful to change the frequency marker color to match the zone color so that you can distinguish the frequencies on the plot. When you're ready to deploy, click Assign and Deploy. In this view, manually assign the channels from your inventory to the found frequencies, or auto-assign them. Do this for each zone and choose where the coordinated frequency list will be deployed for each zone. If you have a Spectrum Manager online, you can choose to have that device actively monitor and manage the frequencies. Otherwise, the list will be saved in Wireless Workbench. If you want to generate a coordination report that includes the new channel assignments, make sure to push your assignments back to the coordination workspace. Pressing Deploy will send the frequency changes to the online equipment and any virtual or offline devices in the inventory. Perform your usual RF and audio line checks to be certain you're satisfied with the coordination solution. And, when you go back to the coordination workspace, you can generate a report. Choose the content you'd like on the report and export it or print it for sharing with others. For more information or other tutorial videos, visit Shure.com.